Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you 4 different ways how you can style a fishtail braid. Love a fishtail braid, you guys know it's one of my favorites, and I actually have a step-by-step tutorial on exactly how to do it, but today I'm just going to be showing you how to style it. So stay tuned because it's going to be so good. So before we get into it, be sure to hit that like button so more people can see our content, and also subscribe so that you can get more inspiration for your beauty routine every single week. Also, as you can tell, I have clip-in extensions in. I figured it would be a fun video to do it with these in, just because you can tell that you can do it with short hair, medium hair, or long hair, but I just like wearing them sometimes because they're really fun. So I am going to start by parting my hair on the side. And then I'm just going to pull a little bit of my bangs out, which Grace cut recently, so they look so much better. And I'm going to take like the first 2 inches, and then it's like a 1/2 inch deep. And then I'm going to split it in half. And if you don't know how to fishtail braid, I will link the step-by-step below. We did a video on it. It's super, super in-depth on exactly how you do it. But this one's actually inverted fishtail, so I'm just going to take, for my little section I have, a piece that's furthest away from the middle, tuck it under, and on the side do the same thing. Creates like a little X. And then I'm going to take the other piece, add a little bit in, and tuck it under, and then keep doing the same thing all the way down. And again, if this isn't enough information on how to do this fishtail, there is a full video on it. Okay, and now I'm just going to slowly pancake it out and make it look really full and pretty. So just keep fluffing it out till you're happy with it and it's nice and big with lots of volume. And I love to wear this one for like a photo shoot if you're gonna have your hair down but you want just a little something to spice it up. I think this is so cute and so fun. And it's just a little fishtail, but it's all pulled out and really bohemian looking. Okay, so the next one is just a little half up. So I'm going to take my little braid and I'm just going to start pulling little sections around my head. Just starting to pull it up into like a half up style. I kind of know the way I like to wear my hair half up. I don't like to pull everything up, but just kind of pull whatever you like. Pretty simple. Okay, so I have my hair all smoothed out, and I'm just going to take my little elastic, pull it through, loop it, and then I'm going to just take the tail of it and wrap it around, tuck it through the band, and then just kind of fluff it out a little. So kind of messy, but just kind of a cute little half up style. So as you can see, super simple, takes 2 seconds, but it immediately looks like you spent like 2 hours on your hair, which is amazing. Okay, so the next one is a ponytail. What's better than a ponytail with a massive fishtail braid? Literally the best. So I'm gonna show you how I do mine. Okay, so I'm just gonna start by pulling my braid away from the rest of my hair to the front, and then I'm just going to gather the rest, just smoothing it out and pulling it into a little bit of a low pony. Not wanting it to be super high, but just kind of like normal. Just smooth everything out. And then I'm just going to secure it with a little ponytail holder, or whatever you call them. I'm going to always just tug on the bottom a little bit just to keep it really tight. And then I'm just going to come around, pull little pieces in the crown area of my hair to make sure that it's nice and loose and not all stuck to my head. Okay, now for the braid. I'm going to bring it back and wrap it around my ponytail, and then I'm just going to secure it with a bobby pin. And then I'm going to take a piece of hair from underneath my ponytail, and I'm going to wrap that around just to make sure it's all nice and covered. And I'm going to secure that one with a bobby pin as well. And that is all. It's so easy. I pulled a couple pieces down around my face, and so easy, so pretty. Love this ponytail. Okay, the last one I'm going to show you guys is a really pretty low bun, super easy, probably one of my go-to hairstyles, so here it comes. Okay, so I'm just going to gather my hair into a low pony, smooth it all out, and then I'm just going to wrap it around twice, and then on the last one through, I'm just going to pull it halfway through, make sure it's nice and fluffy, and then the tail of my ponytail I'm going to wrap around and then tuck through the ponytail to secure it. Fluff it up, make sure it looks nice and good, and that is all. It's so easy, literally the easiest bun ever. And it looks so cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this fun little tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe so you can see new ones every single week.